Hi, I'm Rob. This is how to remove kitchen cabinets and bench tops. Let's get into it. If you haven't already, clear out your kitchen cabinets so you have an open workspace. Then lay protective flooring down. Before going any further, get a licensed plumber and electrician involved. They'll safely disconnect plumbing fixtures and gas, electrical appliances to make sure any electricals are safe to work around. This step is a must-do before you begin any removal. Then take out drawers, doors and any loose shelves to make cabinets lighter and easier to handle. From here, we'll begin to remove the wall cabinets. These are usually screwed into studs or wall plugs through the back panel. Use a drill to remove the fixings. If cabinets are joined together, unscrew them from each other. It's a good idea to use these supports or have someone support the cabinets while you work. They can be heavier than they look and you don't want them falling and damaging the space. Next up is the splashback. It's easier to remove this after the wall cabinets but before the bench top. That said, depending on how it's fixed, the plaster can sometimes come off with it. If that's the case, you can use a multi-tool or utility knife to score the plaster along the tiles. Then gently pry it away using a pry bar or scraper. This can be a quicker method than removing each tile individually. Now move on to the bench top. Remove any screws and if need be, score along the edges. Then using your pry bar, gently lift it free. With the bench top out, you can remove the base cabinets. These are usually fixed to the wall or floor with screws or brackets. From here, remove the kickboards using a drill and a pry bar if required. Once everything's out, give the space a clean up. Patch any holes or wall damage so you have a clean surface to work with. And that's it. If you like this video, check out our other instructional guides on how to DIY your kitchen renovation. We've got plenty of advice online to help you tackle your next kitchen project with confidence.